Hi guys, welcome. Today I am going to show you how to distress R2D2 or just any cake and how to make it look old and beat up and dirty. So for this project, the first thing, and I think the most important, will be cocoa powder. This is what I'm going to use for my dirt, and it's what I'm gonna cover the cake. So it's, instead of using chalk, which I also will use some chalk, but I'm gonna use a lot of it, so it's better if it tastes good. I have a few colors: brown, copper, and some green gel or paste food coloring, brushes, alcohol. I have vodka here. I have some vanilla because I thought this, I may or may not use it, but it's a nice dirty looking brown. So that's it. So here, let's do it. My plan here is to start with the darker colors. I'm going to use this brown. I'm going to mix a little bit of the vodka in there, and I'm going to do the details that are the darkest, like the inside of the lines and things like that. So I have a picture of R2D2 on my computer right in front of the camera, so I always like to use reference, so it's always good. Okay, so here I have covered the top in silver, so I have to be very careful. If I wet it too much, then I'm gonna start removing that silver. So I wanna be just one dab and not go over it too much. So I'm gonna have to be extra careful with the silver painted parts. And as you guys can see, I am just kind of doing whatever comes to mind, putting some cocoa powder in some places because it's a little bit of cooler brown. I'm putting some of the paint in the grooves so that when I clean it up with the paper towel, then I can get that cool look that the lines, those grooves remain pretty dark. On the outside, I can wash off the messy part with the paper towel. So we're just gonna keep going like that until it's all covered up. Okay, so when you think weathered, you think dust, you think scratches. So I'm gonna add a bunch of scratch marks to this guy, and you think dirt. So that's what we're trying to recreate here. Not that. So this R2D2 is completely dry. It's a dummy cake that I made before, and I keep wanting to add this R2D2 cake is it's completely hard already because it's a dummy cake and I did it a while back. I keep wanting to distress it so that it looks more real. So I figured I'd show you guys how to do it. So here, I think that's already looking much closer to the real thing, or at least when it was not brand new and had been through quite some things. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try this out with some of your cakes. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.